Hello friends, it's Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am in the middle of all sorts of things, but I realized I hadn't made a video explicitly about my giveaway. I think I'm only about 15 subscribers away from my 1500, which is when I'm doing my giveaway. So this is not the giveaway entry video that I'm releasing right now, but it is where I show you everything that I'm giving away. I wanted to give you a little sneak peek first. I have a lot of stress right now with spring cleaning and a lot of stuff that I have to do for nail stuff also. But I wanted to show you, out of nowhere, apropos of nothing, I decided to do a video in my Not Just for Newbies series, exploring asymmetry. Anyway, these are just a few examples of stuff I've put together. A little preview. I'll be showing you everything in the actual video, of course. But asymmetry is beautiful, and it's something to explore, and I'm done talking about that now. So let's get on to, remember, this isn't the actual entry video, but I am revealing what I'm giving away. All right, so I've been collecting all of this stuff. I know you guys know things are tight with my disability, but I've been collecting this stuff for about a year, so hopefully it'll work out for a good giveaway prize. I hope it's a good one. So this is probably a good plate to represent a lot of the things that I love, so I thought I would get an extra one of those and give it away. It is called Mr. Fox LK003. And I have used it, no, not this one. This is an extra, of course, but I have used it in previous manis, and I love this one. Also, I've got Shop Ants Plate XL047 for geometric looks. One of my favorite geometric plates. I thought I would get an extra for you guys. And then this one is just a lot of fun. If I can decide what is up and what is down. There we go. I should probably look for the text. So this one is a Nicole Diary 083. I've had this for a while. I know there are some people looking for this plate specifically. This is in my giveaway. Happy, happy mermaids, happy under the sea, and then some happy stars. So this one's a pretty cool one. Probably best for shorter nails, but I have my ways of adapting things to long nails because that's where my aesthetic is. Also, uh-oh, I think I just dropped one of my swatch sticks for my video coming up. Oh well. So I have a stamper for you. I have a cleanup brush for you. I have, this is a doohickey pick-upper. I think it's actually a gem picker, but this is a fancy one from Lantern and Wren. I really thought it said what it was on something, but I can't see it. It does have Lantern and Wren's beautiful logo on it. And it says wax stone picker. So I guess this side is wax maybe. Anyway, it's pretty neat. And then the actual placement into your gel or glue or whatever would be with this kind of metal end. That's what I assume. What else is, here's another brush. Oh, this is a silicone tool. These are really helpful. Some of you have seen in my color blocking with Scotch tape videos. If the polish leaks at all in the process, then I will go ahead and kind of manually move it back into place while it's still wet with a silicone tool. These things are super, super useful. I have lots. What else do I have to give you? I have another stamper because everybody always needs stampers. I have a beautiful Sinful Colors polish. I don't know if you can see all that beautiful iridescence in there. This one is called Skinny Dip. And I have another couple of polishes. This is currently shipping only to the US, but I think I mentioned the last time somebody from Canada decided they wanted to pay the shipping, and that I can do that. This is Color Alike JoJo's Sweetheart. It is an exclusive from Lantern and Wren. And this is some Magpie Boutique glitter. These are actually a little pricier than you would expect, so these are really neat. And there are 2, I think, in this package. Another thing is this beautiful polish. It is a standard polish. It's not a gel, obviously, because you can see the color. If this were real gel polish, that would harden right up in the light. At least that's what I think. Gift for blue. I think it looks a lot more silver, kind of. I use it as a gray. I like the blue undertone, but I use it as... Ooh, here's the other Magpie glitter. I think I'm reaching about the end. I hope this is a good prize. I think I'm at the end. So this is what I have in my package from my giveaway. As soon as I see that number hit 1501 or whatever, I will get it going. So, and then I'll release the video that will be the actual entry, and you'll want to comment on that. But this is not the entry video. Anyway, so you may not see me for a few days other than that entry video. I'm trying to get some stuff done. But you will definitely see me soon with the release from Graceful and that crazy out of nowhere composition for nail art, not just for newbies, exploring asymmetry. I promise it's going to be a lot of fun. Don't give me that look. I'll see you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me you like these things, or tell me if they suck. Goodbye.